we're gonna pull it in, get it torn apart, and make it cool. What's up, guys? We got another one here for you today. This time we're working on a 2026 F-350 Super Duty. So here we have a brand new 2026 F-350. On this truck, it's a platinum package, which means it's got some black accents, but it also has some not matching chrome accents. So one of the things we're gonna do, we're gonna go through and get rid of all the chrome. We're gonna paint this front emblem up here. We'll probably just wrap these little tiny pieces in the grill. Those are easy enough to wrap. We're actually gonna send the headlights off to be opened up and painted inside. So that'll be a super nice touch on this. We're gonna change out the wheels so that chrome there is not going to be an issue. We'll wrap these side badges here to cover up that chrome platinum. We've got some black mirror lights coming, and then there's a big strip of chrome on that bottom running board. So we'll wrap that, get rid of that, basically just black this whole thing out. So we're gonna tint the windows, BDS suspension, we got some 20-inch wheels, 37-inch tires, bed cover, like I said, paint match, the whole 9 yards. So this thing's gonna be all murdered out and sick when it's done. So this thing's brand spanking new. It's got 105 miles on it. So we're gonna pull it in, get it torn apart, and make it cool. Let's tear down a brand new truck. So the whole front end's torn down. We've got the headlights getting split open and painted. We've got the emblem out of the front grille getting painted. Then moving on to the side, we took the chrome and red 6-7 badge off the rocker right there. We've got the bed steps off, getting painted, which that's gonna look really nice. Basically what that does, that's a textured black piece from the factory, like a lot of the other plastics. But once those are painted, smoothed and painted gloss black, they really tie into the bed and almost make it look like they're not there. So that's a nice touch we're gonna add on it. We got the taillights out getting smoked. We've got this back Ford emblem off getting painted. We've got the windows kind of tinted on this. We still gotta do the two fronts. So today, right now, I'm gonna just pull the stock wheels and tires off of it and go pull the sensors out of them and then mount and balance the new stuff. Basically, we're just waiting for a lift kit. There's Derek. Hi, Derek. Derek's working on the lift kit right now, so we got some stock parts in this box. He's got the new coil spring in there, the new Fox shocks. He's changing the radius arm right now, which is this piece right here. One thing that's different on this one that we haven't done before is on the, it's got this little bracket right here with an arm. So that's a headlight sensor. So basically what it does is when you drop a trailer on the truck, it will account for that and it'll automatically tilt the headlights down so that you're not blinding people in front of you. So that's kind of cool. And then in the back, we got to do obviously the lift, put the block in, and then we're doing a full Logic Air setup on this with compressor, boost tank, everything, the whole 9 yards. Paint match wise, we got everything back. I still need to build that mirror over there, so I am going to do a time lapse on that because it's kind of a cool process. But we did a Boost Auto Parts mirror light and then smoked it a little bit darker just so that it kind of blends in. Part of the chrome delete, we did just a little piece of vinyl right there on this platinum badge. Painted these bed steps so that they kind of blend in a little better. Tail lights, Ford emblem, and then third brake light. So we're gonna keep working on it and we'll update you later.
So we're force scanning. We're gonna turn on DRL full brightness, change the TPMS pressure, just turn it down a little bit for the 37s, and then Bambi mode, which is high beams, and then fog lights stay on at the same time. We will change the tire size, so the speedo's right and the fuel mileage will read right.
You know when you have that annoying little dribble that just won't go away?
What did he say?
Talking about the truck, okay? Wheels, black.
Black.
Grill, black.
Black.
Headlights, black. They say that the best accent to black is
Black. If I don't say it, I'll pass out.
okay, guys, this thing is done. We have finally gotten snow in southeastern Idaho, so this pretty little thing is gonna sit here in the shop. The customer can decide if he wants to leave it for another day till the weather clears up or if he wants to go out and make a mess of it. This thing turned out sweet. Black on black is always a killer combo. Yet another just super functional truck that's got all the right parts in all the right places. Really not a ton changed up here. We did take the headlights out and send those to be painted inside. If you know what these look like from the factory, or you can scroll back in the video, they were super chromed out. Really would have thrown the whole look of this truck off. So they actually take the headlights apart. So they put them in like a big oven and take them apart, paint all the insides of them, reseal them. It's super cool process. We're grateful for those guys for knocking that out for us. We did paint the front Ford emblem, so that was blue with chrome rings. Got rid of all that, and then these little teeny tiny bars in here were chrome, so we actually just put a little piece of wrap on those, satin black, to kind of offset everything. But yeah, the front of this truck looks freaking mean. I mean, just dark, mysterious, looks like it's gonna punch you in the face. Suspension wise, it's on a 3-inch BDS radius arm kit with Fox shocks. This is seriously, in my opinion, for price and performance, this is the best kit on the market. Radius arms, coil spring, good shocks, and really, I mean, it doesn't break the bank as far as a lift kit goes. They ride super great. That's actually what's on my personal Super Duty, so I'm big fan of this kit. And then I mentioned earlier in the video, this is the first one we've done that has had the adjustable headlights in the front, so we had to do the sensor relocation or the height readjustment. And that was, you know, kind of cool. BDS has a really cool add-on kit that you can get for that to make it way easier. I've seen it done in the past where, you know, you just kind of put it on the radius arm where it sits, but there's kind of a lot of guesswork in it. This actually has like multiple locations in it, and they have you identify whether it's gas, diesel, basically what the truck is, and you put it exactly where it's supposed to be. So the headlights will work as if it had a factory suspension, you know, it was lower in the front. When it raises, it, you know, automatically lowers and stuff like that. So that's a really cool add-on that we were able to do on this. As far as wheels go, got a tried and true fuel contra, satin black finish, just kind of a classic sharp looking wheel. And then in my opinion, you can't convince me that there's a better looking tire on the market than a Toyo MT. So we did the Toyo MTs, 37, 12, 50, 20. Clearance is very, very easy on this setup with that 3-inch. Really the only thing that you have to trim on this is this little cap right here normally comes out, it protrudes out about yay far. So we just take and just notch that straight down, and that's all you need to clearance this setup. Moving on down the side of the truck, we got rid of a little more chrome. The chrome strip on the running board is wrapped, the platinum on the side is wrapped, and then we swapped out the chrome mirror lights for the Boost Auto Parts lights. Not as black as I think looks correct on these. So we actually had Bowers smoke all that as well. Window tint is a must on an all black truck. I mean, can you imagine this thing all blacked out, super sweet looking, and you're rolling around with fishbowl? Don't do that. Don't be that guy.
You understand the words that are coming out of my mouth?
So then as far as paint goes, we just kind of threw a super simple paint package at it. Front and rear emblems, as I mentioned before, with the front emblem, and then these bed steps look really nice painted to match just because they're, normally this is the textured black plastic, and this kind of helps it, seem a little more integrated into the bed, not stick out so bad. So we opted to smooth and paint those, tail lights, and that was pretty much it for the paint. But just some simple touches in the right places kind of made this thing all come together. And then as far as load support, we did the Logic airbag setup. We really like this setup on these Super Duties. It rides really nice, operates really well. This customer opted for all the compressor upgrades, and he has the boost tank, which is super cool. So the compressor basically just keeps the air tank full all the time. So when you go to fill your bags, it's coming right off of an air tank. You don't have to wait for a compressor to, slowly fill your bags while you're loaded up to something. I mean, you hit the remote and it's quick. I mean, it just shoots that bag full of air, gets it right up to where it needs to be. So we love that setup from Logic on these Super Duties. You have to pay to be cool. So we had to do the rigid flush mounts in the rear bumper. Those are on an auxiliary switch just so that the customer can flip them on and off, as he needs to. Sorry, I'm dribbling again. I'm getting old, I'm almost 30. That pretty well wraps this one up, so let us know in the comments, what do you guys think? Would you do an all black, black on black? Do you like something a little bit different, more dimension, different colors? I love these clean, simple trucks. I mean, it's just super functional. Looks great going down the road, but I mean, the second you need to put this truck to work, it's going to be able to do everything you want it to do. Suspension's great, it rides and drives really well. The airbag setup is top tier. We'll catch you guys on the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.